In today's fast-paced world, travel has evolved far beyond the simple act of getting from one place to another. Modern travelers demand convenience, security, and seamless connectivity, and the latest wave of high-tech travel accessories is rising to meet these needs in remarkable ways. At High-Tech Gadgets News, we're committed to keeping you informed with the most recent and innovative updates in this ever-changing landscape. Let's delve into the ultimate guide to high-tech travel accessories, focusing on the newest advancements, standout gadgets, and must-have features for the discerning traveler. First and foremost, smart luggage has become a game-changer in travel security and convenience. Gone are the days of nervously waiting at baggage claim, hoping your suitcase made the trip intact. With GPS-enabled luggage like the Away carry-on with USB charger and Samsonite GeoTrack R, travelers now have real-time tracking at their fingertips. These smart suitcases allow you to monitor the location of your bags from your smartphone, offering a new level of peace of mind, especially during layovers or connections. The Away carry-on not only keeps you updated on your bag's whereabouts, but also features a built-in USB charger, so you'll never have to hunt for a power outlet in a crowded airport lounge. Samsonite's GeoTrack R, meanwhile, integrates advanced tracking technology and durable construction, proving that high security and sleek design can go hand in hand. Speaking of power, portable charging solutions have seen significant advancements in recent months. The Anker Prime 20,000 mAh power bank stands out as an essential for tech-savvy travelers. With 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, this powerhouse delivers up to 200 watts of total output, meaning you can charge multiple devices simultaneously, including high-demand gadgets like laptops and tablets. Its high capacity and rapid charging capabilities make it perfect for long-haul flights, cross-country train journeys, or even a day exploring remote locales where power outlets are scarce. The era of scrambling for battery life is over. With devices like this, you're equipped for any adventure. Noise-canceling headphones continue to be a staple in the travel tech arsenal, but recent models have raised the bar for comfort and performance. The Sony WH-1000X M5 and Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra are two of the most acclaimed headphones in the market, offering exceptional noise cancellation and plush, ergonomic design. Whether you're trying to block out the hum of jet engines, the chatter in a busy terminal, or simply create a bubble of tranquility for yourself, these headphones deliver. The Sony WH-1000X M5 uses advanced adaptive noise-canceling technology to adjust to your environment, while the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra is lauded for its lightweight build and immersive audio experience. For frequent flyers and commuters alike, these headphones are more than a luxury. They're a necessity for maintaining focus and relaxation on the move. As our devices multiply, so do the cables and chargers we need to keep them powered. Enter multifunctional charging solutions like the Satechi On-the-Go 3-in-1 wireless charger. This compact device supports Qi2 charging, delivering up to 15 watts for smartphones and 5 watts for smartwatches and earbuds. Its foldable design makes it easy to slip into any carry-on or backpack, and its capability to charge 3 devices at once is a welcome relief from cable clutter. For travelers who juggle phones, watches, and earphones, the Satechi charger is an indispensable tool that keeps everything powered and organized. High-tech travel accessories also extend to personal connectivity and organization. Wi-Fi hotspots have become more portable and powerful, offering travelers reliable internet access wherever they roam. Modern devices provide secure connections in dozens of countries, ensuring you can check emails, upload photos, or navigate new cities without worrying about roaming charges or spotty hotel Wi-Fi. Coupled with translation earbuds, which can provide real-time interpretation of dozens of languages, today's travelers can confidently communicate and explore new cultures. Let's not overlook the importance of organization. Smart packing cubes and digital luggage scales are now equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to monitor the weight of your bags and ensure you're compliant with airline restrictions. These gadgets sync with your smartphone and can provide instant feedback, preventing last-minute repacking or unexpected fees at the check-in counter. Safety and health have also been prioritized in recent gadget innovations. UV sterilizers, for example, are increasingly popular among travelers seeking to keep their devices and personal items germ-free. Compact battery-powered units can disinfect phones, passports, and even hotel surfaces in minutes, adding an extra layer of protection for those who value hygiene on the go. For adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts, rugged high-tech gadgets are making a mark. GPS watches with built-in topographic maps, solar charging capabilities, and emergency SOS functions offer peace of mind in remote areas. Action cameras, now smaller and more resilient than ever, capture high-definition footage of every journey, while waterproof Bluetooth speakers provide the soundtrack for beach days or mountain hikes. Travel security has also been enhanced through biometric locks and RFID blocking accessories. Smart locks, which can be controlled via smartphone apps and feature fingerprint or facial recognition, provide a secure and convenient way to protect your belongings. RFID blocking wallets and passport holders safeguard your digital identity from unauthorized scanning, a growing concern in crowded transit hubs and tourist destinations. Looking ahead, sustainability is becoming increasingly important in travel tech. Solar-powered chargers, reusable water bottles with built-in filtration systems, and eco-friendly luggage made from recycled materials are gaining traction among travelers committed to reducing their environmental footprint. These innovations not only support responsible travel, but often offer enhanced durability and versatility. In summary, the latest high-tech travel accessories are redefining what it means to travel efficiently and securely. With GPS-tracked smart luggage, high-capacity portable power banks, noise-canceling headphones, and multifunctional wireless chargers, today's traveler can navigate the world with confidence and ease. Add in organizational tools, safety devices, rugged outdoor gadgets, and sustainable options, and you have a toolkit designed for every journey. At High Tech Gadgets News, we'll continue to bring you the latest reviews and updates on cutting-edge travel accessories. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first big adventure, embracing these innovations will ensure your travels are safer, smarter, and more enjoyable than ever before. Stay tuned for more news and in-depth reviews as the world of travel tech continues to evolve, making every trip not just a journey, but a high-tech experience. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.